Welcome back friends, this is Ramesh Sharma here and we are watching React Redux Fireblock Simple series, and in the this is a part 9th of this series, and in the previous part we have created add command section here, so user can add command whether the user is logged in or not. So as I am logged in here, so that's why I am just seeing here as a command, but here the command hasn't shown now. The commands hasn't shown till now. See that we have the commands here. So see that here, here commands, and we have commands admin command, and this is the object of that commands, and then replies also. So today we will show them all commands here. So let's do that. This is our coding section here. So we will go to source and then we will go to the components, and in the components there will be first is command and then cpost. So we will go through the command section here, and then below the command section we will add the stuff, and that will be, so this is a command form here. So here this is a command section and this is a command form. So below the command form we have to show all the commands here. So how we can show that? See that here we are getting the post here, and after that we are looping over the post. See that from here we are getting the current post here. So we can also get the commands here. So there is command field also in the post data here. So let me show you. So when I will write div class name is equals to colmd12, so colmd12 is okay, and then here just I am going to write json.stringify to make it to the string format. So I am going to stringify this current post dot post data dot comments. Save this. Now we should see the comments also, but just in the JSON format we should see the comments. I saved it successfully. Yeah, see that here we are getting the object of array of the comments here, and having all the objects here that we have in the post also. And see that here what is that here in the post, and then posts in the first post because we are opening the first post here, and then see that here we are getting comments also, this one, and it is having the array here and 0 1 2 index, and then array is containing the objects here. So we will use this. So first of all we will use name, email, and after that we are checking post owner or admin here, then we will see. So let's do that here. So here I am looping over this current post comments.map, and then here we will get comment, and then we will get the index here, and here we are returning, so that's why I'm writing parentheses here. So here main division, and its class name, let it be width 100%, and it will be card, and margin y will be 2 here, and then it will also be having the border and shadow we will see later. Just let's print the name, comment dot name here, and then here just we will print. Here I will add key also, so key will be index multiply by 9999. Save this, and now let's see here what we are getting. See that here we are getting just simply name, name we are getting only because we are just adding the name here, and here I am also adding the padding to end 5. Let's see what we will get. So see that we are getting this very perfect now. So here I'm writing margin top to 5 so that we can get also margin here from the top. See that here we are getting that, and I am making the border little darker. So border 2 is okay, or border 3, no, border is okay. Then I'm going to write border dark, border dark. This will add dark border to this, and here I'm going to write padding to 5 here. So padding x to 5 and then padding y to 2. Yeah, this is looking perfect now. So let's create one division here, and its class name will be, first its width will be 100%. So its width is equals to 100%, and then what we want, and we want display flex here, and this will be the header of this. And then here we also have to add the name here. So first of all we will add, so here we will check if this is post owner or not, or just we will simply remain this as it is. Here we will write align items to center and justify content to between. That's okay, and let's move further. And here we will first of all add one paragraph here where margin y will be last name. Here margin y will be 0. Margin y will be 0 to make it in the center here. And then here just I'm going to write the name here. So name first letter just I want. So here I'm going to write comment dot name and its first letter, and that I'm also going to capitalize. So I'm going to write text capitalize. Save this. Now let's see what we are getting here. See that we are getting this R here, but this will be should be in the same div. So I'm doing like this. Now this should be in the same div, and it is also having the class name as dflex here. Save this. Now see that we are getting like this here. Now here we want text to white here, and then VG we want dark, and let's save this. Let's see what we are getting. So see that we are getting like this. Now we have to add padding to 5 here. Padding to 5 I think will be large. It is large here. So I'm writing padding y to 2, padding y to 2, and padding x to 3 here. Like this, and here I'm adding rounded circle here to make this in the rounded format in the circle. So see that here the circle we are getting here, and also I am adding margin and to 4 here. So I think 4 will be larger, so it is okay. So 4 is looking good, and I am also adding the padding y to 3, so it will be more good. Now it is looking good here. Now here we want another div, and here will be one paragraph tag, and it will be the title here. So title, and here I am adding this class name as py to 0, my to 0, and it will be card title. Save this, and now let's see what we are getting. This is looking good. Now let's move further, and here in the paragraph tag, here will be the card text, and here I'm going to write email, comment dot email here. So see that here I'm getting email here, but it should be small, so here I'm going to write small here. So see that here this one we are getting. Now here we have to write if it is a post owner or not. So first of all we will check if it is a post owner or not. So here this is a display flex. Now under this we will create one div, and that will be also having the class name as dflex, and it will be having the gap to 1 and align items to center, justify content to around, justify content and. Now here first of all we will check, if this is a user, means this is admin or not. So here I'm going to write comment dot admin. So if this is true, then we are going to add one paragraph here, and this paragraph will be having the class name as bgdark text white, and here I'm going to write admin, and padding y to 1 and padding x to 2 here. Save this and you will see that this is an admin here, this is an admin, so that's why it is showing admin here. This is not an admin, so that's why it is not showing like this here. Now we want this same thing, and here will be the post owner. If we will be the post owner, I'm going to write owner. Save this, and here we are getting the owner also. So owner, instead of owner I'm going to write author. So this will be more good. See that admin and author, and he is nothing new. And then below we will show the comment here. So let's show the comment first. So I'm going to write, so below this we are going to write p, and that will be the class name as margin top to 4, and here I'm going to write comment dot comment here. Save this, and here we should get the comment here. This is a comment by post owner, this is a comment by simple user, and I am removing this. So here see that we are getting all the comments here, but we are not getting any reply here. So here should be the reply button. So that we will do in the next video, and in the next video we will see how we can add the replies here. So first of all we will add the reply form, and then we will take another video to add the comment here, add the reply here. Then we will take another video to show the all replies, and then we will move towards the home page. So for today this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. I will definitely respond to that. At last, thanks for watching. I will